Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are at a very famous restaurant here in Goa called Florentine. So in today's video we are going to be showing you this very famous dish which is called the chicken Cafreal. So this restaurant is supposed to be making some of the best chicken Cafreal available in Goa. This is a very old Portuguese dish and it's very famous in Goa. We are going to be checking out a lot of other dishes here which are authentic Goan delicacies. But before we show you the food, guys, let me show you where exactly we are. Let me show you the restaurant and then we are going to check out the food. So let's go and check it out. Okay guys, so before I show you the food, let me just show you where we are. So this is the main road which goes towards Kalangut. So this, if you take the road this side, it goes to Kalangut, and over here is the main Saligao area. So guys, what you will see is, you'll see this orange kind of pillars here. Then you have to take this small road and go inside this road. So you will see the board over here which is called Florentine. So you keep on going on this road, and when you reach the end of the road you will reach the main Florentine restaurant. So when we reach ahead, let me show you the restaurant, guys. Okay guys, so just after a 50-meter walk you will reach the restaurant over here. So this is the main Florentine restaurant. This is a parking area. If you want to park your car, you can park your car here, and that's the main kitchen. So this is where they cook all the food here. So let's go in. Let me show you the restaurant inside, and hopefully we get a nice table and we'll show you guys this thing. So it's called Florentine here, and let me just show you the main menu here which is available. So these are the Florentine's new menu items. So seafood platter, tiger prawns, prawn risotto, all different kinds of dishes that they have here. So we'll try and see whatever we can get, and hopefully we get a lot of different things to try out here, guys. So let's go and check out the restaurant. So if you see, this is the restaurant inside here. They have a lot of tables. So what we are going to do is, let's get a table and order some food. Okay guys, so it's time to order. So these are the famous dishes that are available at this place. So they also have a famous fish thali which is there here. But what we are going to be ordering is the most famous thing which is there in this restaurant. Of course, these are alcohol prices here. Just to show you the prices of alcohol, as you can see, they are very cheap. If you want to see the full price, just pause the video so you can see the prices. So we are going to get Kaju Feni here. So this is the prices. So Kaju Feni is only 15 rupees for a peg, and if you want 90 ml, then it's only 40 rupees here. So it's 30 ml and 90 ml here. So this is a local Goan Feni. I'll show you guys what it's like. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to order something. These are just the other prices like Kingfisher, and everything is very cheap, as you can see. Now let me get on to their main thing, which is the most famous thing here. So here we have the main course. The first thing, which is with a Cafreal. Cafreal is 250, and we are going to get the rava fried chicken. So that is 260 rupees here. And of course we are going to order some other dishes which I'll tell you the prices when we get them. So this is the menu, very decent rates, and just to show you, these are some of the desserts they have. And let's get on to ordering the food and show you guys what it's like. Okay guys, so the food has just arrived. So first we got the chicken Cafreal, then next we have the rava fried chicken, which is this. Look at the size of that, half a chicken. So that's really cool. Then we have the Goan poi. So this, look at that nice fluffy bread, absolutely amazing. This is risotto, and of course that is the Cafreal. And here we have a little bit more of things, which is the extra gravy for this if you require it. So anyway guys, let's start and let me tell you what it tastes like and exactly what it's like. Okay guys, so now we are going to get into eating the food. Before we start eating the food, I'm going to tell you the prices of the food here. So the first thing which we have here is the chicken Cafreal, of course, which is the most famous dish. So the chicken Cafreal is costing 250 rupees. The next dish we have here, which is called the chicken rava fry, this is costing 260 rupees. This is chicken shakuti, which is an authentic Goan dish with a coconut based gravy. So the chicken shakuti, it has of course chicken inside here. So this chicken shakuti is costing 170 rupees. These bread are the local Goan poi. This is only 5 rupees each. So the thing about this restaurant is all the prices are really good, really good. So this is 100 rupees. Now this is called a prawn risotto. So there's prawns inside. I'm going to show you guys what it's like inside. And of course this is a prawns fried rice. So how much is the prawns fried rice? 150? 170. Okay, so I'm just asking the help of the staff here. So that is the prawns fried rice, and this is extra gravy which is given to you with the Cafreal over here. So let's get started. Before we get started, let me show you the first dish here. These are basically starters that is very popular here in Goa. So let me just show you a close up. So when you break into it, you will see this soft creamy textured thing inside. That is basically the prawns paste. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bite of this. So it's really good, and this is something which is really popular. Now this, guys, is Goan Feni. Now Goan Feni is a local alcohol here. This is a cashew alcohol here. So I've taken a little bit of this. What you want to do is you want to put a nice dash of lime in it. Yeah, you put as much of lime as you can to get extra flavor. And then what we are going to do is we are going to put some limca in this. So we are going to put a dash of limca. Now the best thing with Feni in Goa is limca. So you have to put limca here. See, the thing is I don't really like sweet. So because I don't like it very sweet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of water in this to cut out the sweetness here and get some nice flavor of the urak. Not urak, sorry, Feni. So urak also is a popular drink here, which is one of my favorites in Goa. So there's a lot of ice here. This ice is not breaking. So we'll put as much of ice as possible. So we don't want to put too much ice also. Okay, so this is local Goan drink, Feni. The Feni is costing only 15 rupees, guys, for a small peg like this, 30 ml, and 40 rupees if you want like a 90 ml, which is very strong. So I wouldn't recommend you to have too much of it. So let's cheers, guys. Wow, delicious, delicious. Yeah, so okay, last thing is you have to put a chili in this, which adds the little spice to life. So this is also with urak, or if you are having Feni, then you want to put the chili with it. You want to cut open the chili, but I don't want to cut it open, I just want a light flavor. Okay, so we're going to try out all the dishes now. The first thing I'm going to try out is the chicken Cafreal. Now chicken Cafreal should be a little bit spicy, so I'm a little scared because I'm afraid of spice, but let's try it out. So it looks good. So it's so soft and tender, so they marinate this for a long time, and as you can see here, we're going to put a little bit of the spice and the chicken here. Just like I remembered for the last many years. I've been coming here from when I was small. The taste has remained the same. It is spicy. I can feel my ears starting to feel that little tingle. You'll feel the sweat rising up in your head, but it is so tasty. So it has like this green chili paste kind of nice flavor. So they give you a lot of extra gravy here. So if you're a spice lover, you're going to love this. It's crazy. Now let me talk about my favorite dish at this restaurant, which is this dish here. So this is a rava fried sorry, it was so spicy. Yeah, so this is a rava fried chicken. So it has this nice rava coating on it. So what we are going to do is let's break a piece of this. I'm making an absolute mess here. but yeah, it's so good. So this is the rava fried chicken. This is so tasty. I don't know how to explain the flavor, but it has like a light masala of this one, which is the Cafreal, and it has that rava coating, which gives you that nice crispy, crunchy texture, and the chicken is so soft and moist inside. So just to show you, like, let's show you a piece of the chicken. So if you see, just so flaky and soft, really, really good. So what we're going to do is, let me get a plate here. I don't want to drop the plate. So let's get the plate, and then we're going to show you this next dish, which is called the chicken shakuti. Now, to get a chicken shakuti for 170 rupees is a bargain. So we want to put the chicken shakuti here, and we'll take the piece of bread. Now this is an authentic Goan poi, which is a very famous bread here. So if you ever come to Goa, always eat your food with this bread, because it will give you like the authentic taste of Goa. Now you see, this bread is very soft texture inside. So what happens is, when you're having a gravy based dish, it really soaks up the gravy. So something to know though is because it's very soft, it can break apart. So you don't want to use too much gravy when you're eating it. It's so good though. Look at that. Really, really good. So just to show you, let's show you a close up. I'm going to break the chicken and just show you how soft and delicate it is. So you see, it's just like these flakes of chicken, which is so delicate and soft. Yeah, yummy. So this does not have any extra spice to it. It's very, very mild. So compared to that one, which is very, very spicy, which can blow up your head, this one is absolutely something that anybody can enjoy. Let's get a little bit of the prawns fried rice. I just want to show you guys, for 170 rupees, look at the amount of prawns that you get. And see the quantity. This is more than enough for like all of us that are here. We have three of us. Today we have Shane on the camera, who's my new assistant, and we have Dadu here, which is, he drives my car. So they are like family, they're always with me. So let me just get this. Oh my god, it's so hot. So yeah, today I'm being a little clumsy guys, because I'm having a very good day, I'm enjoying myself. So please excuse me. So you see, the fried rice is really nice. What we want to do is, we want to put a lot of this nice delicious gravy on top of it to get that nice flavor, and because it's not spicy, it adds to the texture. Now always eat with your hands, it gives you much more better flavor. Oh wow. So if you're in Goa, you want to try the real authentic flavor of Goa, this is something to really try out, because you're going to love it. And this is also something that you should really try out for a starter. Now at this restaurant they have a lot of other dishes, like the fish platter, so that's also a really nice thing. Maybe we'll come in the future and do videos of the food fish, but today I wanted to show you their specialities, which is this chicken here. And I really like the resource, it's very tasty. Compared to most places, I would really like this one. Guys, this is not a sponsored video. I do not do sponsored videos of restaurants. I only tell you places that I authentically, originally like. Others I wouldn't show you guys. So this is something which we have been coming for the last maybe 15 years. I've been coming with my family here, and we are never disappointed, and the prices are so good that you can come here anytime and you can have a really good affordable meal. So yeah, and at the same time you're having an authentic taste of Goa. So I'm going to continue enjoying my delicious Goan food. And just to give you a last look at the food guys, let's take a little look around. So rava fried chicken, shakuti gravy, my poi, and over here we have the prawns, of course, and the Cafreal. So I'm just going to take a little bit last piece of the Cafreal, because even though it's spicy, it does not last for long. So you would expect the spice, to last for a long time, and you would feel that heat and everything. But it is absolutely delicious. I would actually take a little bit of the bread, dip it into the gravy, and you will enjoy this. So as you can see here, it looks really good. So basically the oil of the chilies comes out and it gives it a nice aromatic spice, but it's delicious. Okay guys, so we finished all the food here. We were so hungry, so we finished it, and now time for desserts. So we got the caramel pudding. This is the caramel pudding, which is a very popular dish here. Let me show you. Okay, and what is this?
Crepe Florentine.
Okay, this is called a crepe Florentine. Okay, so these are desserts. What's the price of this? 63 rupees. Okay, it's including GST. So 63 rupees for this, and this is 87 rupees after taxes. I like it when they explain with taxes. It's very fascinating. So let me just show you guys the caramel first of all. Now if you want to know a good caramel, you have to wobble it like this, and if it wobbles, then it means it's a good caramel. So let's try the caramel pudding here. So you see this delicious slice of caramel pudding. So this is a nice really good. Now this is the crepe Florentine, 87 rupees, which is fascinating. See this. So this is basically a crepe. It has some cashew nuts on top and chocolate. And what else is there? Huh?
Jaggery.
Oh, there's jaggery inside. Oh wow.
Jaggery and ice cream.
Jaggery and ice cream inside. So jaggery is like this. It's like a Goan local cane sugar. So it's not regular sugar. It's this nice local thing which is there, and it has ice cream inside, which is interesting. Wow. So it's quite sweet, but not overly sweet, and it's really good. It's so good that I'm trying some more. So believe it or not, I'm not a very sweet person. I don't like sweets too much, but this is really good. So that jaggery has like this, and there's coconut inside also.
Fresh,
Oh, fresh grated coconut. Okay. So this is our guy who's working here for the last, how many years you working
32
here?
years.
32 years. Wow. So if you ever meet him, you have to definitely meet him. He'll tell you everything about every dish. He's here for 32 years. Imagine. And how old is the restaurant then?
36 years.
So the restaurant is 36 years old. Wow. So guys, this is the crepe Florentine, and this is the caramel custard. I still like to wobble it. It's fascinating. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I will be bringing you lots of other videos from here in Goa.